Welcome to another Simple Dad Snapchat tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to share a Snapchat lens you found on Snapchat with your friends. If you're new here, please subscribe to see more videos like this and don't forget to like this video. So to share a lens on Snapchat, first open up Snapchat. Now you're going to tap on the lens icon here. This will now open up all your lenses. So go ahead and select the lens which you want to share. So for example, this one here. Now tap on the eye here, the top left. Now you'll get this menu. Tap on Send to Friends. Now from this menu, you can send it to your Snapchat friends, or you can send other social media platforms to share your lens. And that is how to share a Snapchat lens you found on Snapchat with your friends. If this video is helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.